Hi guys, so I'm Julin and this is Ray.
Hi, I'm Ray.
And we are business partners in Roti Bar. We have started Roti Bar in 2017, July 15 to be specific. And we have brought all this yummy, delicious Malaysian food to you guys. So let me introduce Ray and his story, how he brought this food here. So Ray, why don't you tell them all the secrets that you have?
Okay, my name is Ray. So I started working with my uncles in Malaysia. So it was around 1998 after my school. So they started their businesses around 1980. So after more than 10 years, then I joined with them. So I found my passion, like start doing rotis, and I found that it's interesting. So I learned as much as I can. They're still running the business, but I decided to move to Melbourne to explore more cuisines and all. So this is how I started Roti Bar in 2017. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Malaysian roti canai. This is our top 5 Malaysian dish. So we have this for breakfast, lunch, and also dinner, or anytime whenever you want. So this is how we're gonna make this for your guys' information. So this can be you can add on egg or onion or any cheese. You can add. I'll show you later how to add cheese and all that. So we just rub it, make it thin, and then put one hand on top and one hand at the bottom, and just flip it. Flip as big as you can, slowly. So as you can see, it's becoming thinner and thinner. Yeah. So at this point, you guys can add cheese or egg or onion or whatever you want, and then this is just a plain one, and you just fold it, and it's ready to go on your hot plate. So the bigger you flip, the softness will be there, and you get more crunchy and soft. So we're gonna smash it, make it smooth. This soft the roti become.
So during the pandemic, everyone was really blur. So we were equally blur. Yeah, don't think that we had a great idea whatsoever. We were equally blur, and we were wondering what to do. Yes, we were doing the deliveries for the other dishes, but as the pandemic gets first week, second week, third week, it was depressing, guys. It was really depressing. There were no one walking into this door because city was dead, and we were just wondering what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Food is food, and we thought, let's bring an experience back to your house. Like, what can we do? Banana leaf rice.
And we survived throughout the pandemic with
Yes,
this banana leaf and all this food around. What you can see now.
We definitely survived the pandemic, giving a break even. You guys helped us to keep our staff on jobs. It's you are the one who kept us. So all our staff was paid. They had lodging, they had everything, and this was the star dish, and this is the Malaysian banana leaf rice.